You know, if you want to experience the best out of life, you got to start owning where you messed up. You can't blame it on anybody else. You've got to take ownership on where you messed up. So if you told the lie, admit it. If you gossiped about somebody, admit it. If you made the mistake, whatever it was, admit it. In order for you to have a peaceful life with yourself and with God, you've got to own where you messed up. Think about it. David did it. If we take a look at the Bible, whenever David messed up, he got himself right with God by owning where he messed up. That's why in Psalms 51:10, he said, Lord, create in me a clean heart and renew in me the right spirit. Because I know I done jacked up and I need your help in fixing the problem. So let go of your ego. Stop living in pride and start walking in integrity and owning wherever you messed up. That's what repentance is. Repentance is admitting where you messed up and turning away from it, vowing not to make that mistake again. So whether if people talk about you, it doesn't matter. You owned your mistake and therefore you are free because you refuse to stay stuck in the past. So own it. Say, yeah, I did it. But that's not who I am. You've got to own it if you want to be effective in your God-given purpose. So love you much. And as always, stay blessed, stay groovy, and keep it sanctified.